Hey YouTube, I wanted to show the design process, application, and functionality of this, my 3D printed breech loading system for paintball scenario Nerf launchers. So my original idea was this orange guy to fit in this 2-inch PVC coupler, fit right in there. I would glue it in using this blue stuff with a purple primer. The idea was for it to twist a little bit. It's hard to do it with one hand. Twist a little bit, then come out for an opening, push it back in, twist, lock it, close. My very first one, I didn't do the tolerances right. The tolerances for moving parts are difficult, and also you might be able to tell there's some little spots where all the air can rush out. So that was my first idea. I thought it was worth going after more. My next one, I actually went ahead and glued in, again with the purple and blue stuff. Only problem was, this is really fussy trying to get in and out, especially if you're in a paintball game, people are shooting at you, they're running towards you, you just can't quite fumble with it. I did make a modification so that there's no gaps for the air to leak from, at least no big gaps. I designed this smaller one to fit with smoke grenades. Here's a picture of what it looks like in real life. I took the paper covering off. I already used this one, obviously. The idea is to fit it in here, put it on the barrel, and I could launch smoke grenades that way. But I realized, since I used more of these studs, or whatever you call them here, it actually fit in a lot easier. And I thought I'd maybe combine the actual coupler part and the breech mechanism into one thing. So this is my first full 3D printed design. I did it in green, which is really difficult to peel off. I don't know what was wrong with the color, but the color, the kind of plastic was just really sticky. It's hard to peel off. I made these little handles way too thin. They broke off when I was just getting it out. A lot of teeth helped it get in and out more quickly, but I can't, there's no thing to twist it with. And it failed on the bottom because I put too much of a ledge there. Okay, so my second design, I made a little bit shorter to use less plastic. More, same number of teeth. Black plastic made it easier to print. Goes in and out really easy. But I messed up my tolerance again. Doesn't twist. And also, I fixed this part. It's a little ledge, so it didn't fail there. But the rim was too small to let the barrel in. So I figured I'd go back a third time. This is my design that actually worked. I've used this in actual games of paintball. Here's one picture of me playing. Here's another picture of me playing in real life, actual paintball game. So the way this works is, got your thing, just open it, put it down. It's hard to do this with one hand on camera. And there it's in. And you can use your pre-set up air cannon. Here's mine, regulator from a air tank on and off valve, a bike valve so I can fill up myself, emergency release valve, pressure gauge.